In primetime news tonight at TVJ exclusive.
If somebody gonna kill me when I go in the lockups or something like that, because I'm hearing so now that the car that was chasing was gangster in that car.
Cop at the center of controversial high-speed chase and shooting tells tale of fear and deception.
I don't trust the Spanish ones. I'm hearing a lot of things now. Say this gangster thing was linked with the police in Spanish ones.
Indicom weighs in on the matter. Shake up. Mobile reserve unit of the police force to be disbanded. Head sent on leave to facilitate investigations. And business operators out west brace for more revenue losses as state of emergency continues.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Andrea, local manufacturers and exporters want the Bureau of Standards to review outdated regulations.
And from Milton we go to Karen at the sports desk.
Thank you very much, Archie. The reports are in following Monday night's fracas at the National Stadium during the Red Stripe Premier League. We'll tell you more about it later.
Thanks, Karen. And we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the announcement that there will be a major shake-up in the Jamaica Constabulary Force following Sunday's deadly shooting in Spanish Town, St. Catherine?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.